Welcome to lecture number 10. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, so we are in view right now, and I don't know why print layout doesn't work right now at the moment, but it works well. Okay, with you people, just check it, and it will work with you people the best. Okay, print layout means you can change the layout of the page accordingly. Okay, how you want, how you can manage the settings of the page. Okay, you can check it. Okay, it doesn't a big problem, but now I'm going to discuss a very important thing, that is the thumbnail. And make sure whenever you are going to make documentations or write down something, so please make sure it is check on, means it is on. So I'm going to make it on right now, and let's see what changes come. You see, the मतलब दादे चिफाइदा दे सोचो. For example, sometimes you come the मुगलिकल को बीच के चिकम दे यो blank page राशि सही है. अगर blank page चिकम दे मतलब से बसंग delete को मा यो तरीका खुदा हो चुम बहोम तारा लो और दा icon बम press को सही है न बाबा उशो कदा सी new view तबराशी thumbnail बा on की और let's suppose extra pages add को अत pages में add कर सही है. زي ما شيرا دا वो page नो पूरे ما सारा बुलिकल شيء भी अतम page ما सारा blank थे. backspace په 2000 هم صحیح ده کنه دغه پیج به ما سره ډیلیټ شي. یا زه چې دا 7 پیج ما سره ډیلیټ شي 7 پیج باندې به کلیک وکم 2000 به backspace وم دغه پیج به ما سره ډیلیټ شي. صحیح شو. شان ته نورم دی ډیر زیات کمانډونه دي. زوم شو صحیح ده. and please check it yourself. So check it itself. Okay, now so I think we have only remaining 2 lectures in which I will just discuss the styles and table of the contents. Okay, so I hope you would have got enough things from these 10 lectures, and just try it yourself. So now I am going to stop it. Okay, because the things that we didn't discuss were just these things. Okay, and in the coming lectures I will try to discuss it in detail. So hope you have got the main idea of the Microsoft Word, how it is used and when it is used and how does it work. So wish you all the best. Okay, thanks for watching.